Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you're all safe and home. Today, we are going to learn about every success story is also a story of great failure. You can identify the person who is sitting on the chair in the picture. Yes, he is Abraham Lincoln, the former president of United States. Now, we are going to learn about his biography and how he became such a great successful leader. Okay, all the stories of success are also stories of great failure. Failures are the stepping stones to success. We all know that Abraham Lincoln was the president of United States. It was not an easy thing for him to reach to such a great height in his life. He faced major setbacks in business as well as politics before he was elected president of United States at the age of 52. He did not lose hope and give up his effort. Lee D. Frost was the inventor of the turbine tubes. In 1913, he was charged for using dishonest means to mislead the public. Though he was publicly humiliated, he did not stop his effort and made so many inventions. If you have studied about Wright brothers, have you known about him? Yes, Wright brothers are successfully brothers who have invented the aeroplane. Wright brothers successfully took their flight after their wisdom was questioned by the New York Times editorial. Colonel Sanders was a founder of KFC chain restaurants. He, at the age of 65, worked hard and succeeded in selling food items. He had left no more than 1,000 doors before he got his first order. Walt Disney, the famous cartoonist, faced many rejections before his getting the success. He started Mickey Mouse when he was working out of small mouses depicted shed under the church. Thomas Alva Edison, who was partially deaf, failed 10,000 times while he was working on the light tubes. He did not give up and failure got the success finally. He was a man with great attitude. Though he lost his factory to fire, he went on inventing phonography. He did not lose hope at any stage of his life. Henry Ford forgot to put the reserve gear in the first car he made and went broke at the age of 40. He succeeded later and reached the top position in selling of cars. Ludwig van Beethoven was a German composer and panetist. Though he was told that he had no talent of music and gave such a best music, all these persons succeeded in spite of their problems. Children, success is not easy, but if you try, definitely you get success. All these persons are the persons who first tasted failure and later, after hard work, they have got the success. A can a setback can act as a driving force and teaching us humility. We have to find courage and faith to overcome the setback. We must get rid of fear and doubt. We need to try to become visitors. We need to have burning desire to achieve our task. A burning desire is a key to one's success. We cannot get great success with a weak desire. So, what is your desire? To do your best in your exams, to do your best in your 10th. So, you should have the desire and also do the hard work and always have a burning zeal for it. Children, I hope you all have understood the lesson. The second lesson, that is, every success story is also a story of great failure with few examples that I have given. Thank you. Please make a note of it.